Back in Aldi, feels good. But we're not going on a camp today. We have got a big update to the van. It is no surprise that the first camp in this van was a little bit of a failure. For those that watched the video, the first van camp, I got stuck in the back of here. Oh, Brendan. And I also had no privacy curtains. But that is going to change today. I'm off to go see a chap in Telford called Tom. He owns a company called Super Finish. We've been talking for the last few weeks and he's offered, very kindly, to tint all of the rear windows in this van. We've also got another update towards the latter end of this video where we're going to be fitting some privacy curtains. So we have got the ultimate privacy upgrade today in the back of here. I'm also picking up a special someone. Can you guess who it is yet? You probably can. And everything you see in today's video, from the window tinting to the privacy curtains, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check out Tom's business in Telford if you want some tinting services done. And you can also check out Shore Vans if you want some privacy curtains or some van carpet. Right, let's hit the road and go pick my dad up. It's a bit early for my dad this morning. It's 8:30. So Dad, as you're watching this video, yes, I'm telling everybody that you are lazy. You did enough of that to me when I was a teenager. So yeah, get out of bed, you lazy git. Morning. Come in. You all right? Yeah. Oh, you're dressed. You got your coat on. You're gonna clean some windows with me.
Am I?
Yeah.
There's a song about that. I'll go and ask her.
Okay.
What's he called?
We're looking for a company called Super Finish. So after asking some of the locals where to go, we finally found Tom's business, Super Finish. It's safe to say I wasn't expecting this introduction. So I've just said hello to Tom. He's just given us a brief look at his E-Type.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
E-Type, yeah. But how long have you been here, Tom?
In these premises here,
Yeah.
only recently, but we've been running for 35 years.
Because you were in Shrewsbury, weren't you, you said?
Yes, I only recently moved into these premises.
In St Michael Street.
That's right, yes.
So maybe some Shrewsbury residents, I know a few of you watch the channel, maybe you know Tom, or you've been to his business before. Was it called Super Finish before?
Yeah, it's only been Super Finish. Yeah.
So we're going to work a bit harder, trying to get all this old residue and glue off the windows, and then we'll let Tom do his magic and tint the back of the van. But thanks, mate. I appreciate your help
Great,
today.
thank you. Welcome.
Right, the windows are clean. I've never seen the windows that clean. Tom's backing it in now. Some of the cars in this garage are unbelievable. Don't know if any Shrewsbury residents are watching right now. Would you remember SMC, Shrewsbury Music Centre? Just by the car wash as you go into town from Sundawn? Maybe someone will know what I'm talking about, but do you remember that limo? That pink limo that was always parked at SMC? That was Tom's company before lockdown. Obviously no one wants limos in lockdown, do they? Let the work begin. Now, when I arranged this collaboration with Tom, I didn't know the level of detail and care that has to go into tinting windows. Watching him work and observing his attention to detail was really impressive. He's definitely got a steadier hand than me, that's for sure.
That's it. Because when the glass is cold,
Yeah.
the film tends to move more. When I get all the infrared heating all the way around, it'd be a lot easier.
Yeah.
Because you need it in the winter. Keep the glass at a certain temperature. Makes a big difference.
So what you guys are seeing right now is actually kind of the beginnings of Tom's move to Telford. So tell us a little bit, Tom, about what's going to be here, well, probably after I've left, I guess, in a couple of weeks. What can people expect to see around here then?
Yeah, we've got to install all of our lighting, roof lighting as well.
Yeah.
And then obviously power points, and then we're going to get some more infrared heaters
Yeah.
put around the bay, so the glass can reach a certain temperature in winter, so it's the application of the film
Goes on a lot neater.
Yeah, lot better, yeah.
ladies and gentlemen, is the van fully tinted. And the final piece to go on today. Proper job. So now you guys know where you need to go if you want some valeting or some window tinting done. Give us a spin, Tom. Let's have a look at the back of the shirt. This is what Tom's company does, superfinish.net.
You get that bullseye on there, you can have this for free.
Can I take a pick a car?
Can I move my van first, Tom? That's all right. What? Oh, Jesus Christ!
No.
What the hell?
I was fooling.
Here you are. Stand there.
I'm only
stand
fooling,
there.
yeah.
Cheers,
Thank you very much. Yeah, cheers, thank you very much.
Great job,
Bless you.
mate. Great job.
All right, matey.
lovely.
Good lad.
All right, job number 2. Let's get back and fit these curtains. Next part is some privacy curtains, kindly sent by Shaw Vans. Gave me an incredible discount. So we've got these. These are all corresponding to the windows on the van. We've got the 2 side ones, the 2 rear quarter panels. We've got then the 2 barn door windows. We've also got a privacy curtain that goes all the way across the front of the cab. The combination of the window tints and these curtains, no one is going to be looking in the back of this van. We will not have a repeat of what happened on the first camp. So let's go through it, make sure we've got everything, make sure everything's here, and then we'll start seeing how we fit these curtains. We've watched a couple of videos of other people doing it. We've read the instructions. We've gone to Screwfix. Got 2 packs of a 2.5mm drill, 2 packs of 2, so we've got 4 drills altogether because we're going to break a few because that's just us, that's what we do. So let's go for the first hole. There's a good chance.
Let's hope the carpet doesn't wrap around the drill.
It might do, it probably will, it's us. So, right, I'm just going to go, I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do it, okay? Oh, we've got. Well, I was going to say we've got penetration, but that's probably not the one word to use. We're through, and no carpets come out. We have fitted 2 rails onto the first window. One's a little bit skewy, but these curtains are designed to stretch quite significantly. So we're going to now start looping the curtains on. We've got 2 end pieces on there that we'll probably screw in a minute. Get the curtains on the sides and then start putting the other end cap on there and fitting some poppers on the side. I think once we've actually fitted one successfully and fully with the poppers and the drawstring and everything else is going to become a lot easier then. So we just need to get one done first. Then once we've done that one, everything else should be easy peasy, he says.
You don't need to.
You do need to.
Just put it across there.
No, because they draw in the middle.
Doesn't matter. You don't have to. If you draw it once that way.
No.
You haven't got to.
We're not cutting any more corners.
No. I mean.
No. With
a lot less hassle for you.
No, it's not.
That will go right across there easy.
I know it will.
They come over here.
I know. But we're using the kit that came with it. Well, I want them to open them in the middle.
Why?
We're just dragging them. No. We're going to do it the right way. Okay? God forbid what my dad's van's going to come out like when he eventually gets a van.
What do you reckon? 1 curtain or 2?
Right, that is the first curtain on. Those little runners down there, they obviously go within the curtain rail. And then they actually come with little stop gaps there, little plastic stoppers that you put a screw in. I didn't put it in all the way because I didn't drill all the way through there into the van body. But that does a good job there of making sure it doesn't go any further. And then to get a nice tight seal, they've included these little poppers that you drill into the side of the van body, and they've already been attached to the curtain, so you haven't got to attach them there. Pop them to the side. And there is, I mean, to be pedantic, there's a tiny, tiny bleed there, but I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that, especially with the combination of the tint.
Okay, we're in.
Okay, so bottom rail screwed in on this side with the stop caps. The reason why we did the stop cap first on this side, because that one's a little bit more tricky. You can see it kind of starts to bend away ever so slightly from the door, because that one was a tricky one because there's a part of the mechanism for the sliding door there.
Hang on, have you put the curtain on right? Ah, you haven't.
Why not?
You got that's the wrong side.
It's not. It's not.
Oh, isn't it?
No. Oh no, you are right. You are right. You're totally right. You are right. Yeah, that needs to come back off again.
Keep that in the edit. Do not raise this.
Okay, all right, okay, I swear I'll keep that in. Yeah, that needs to come off because basically we just need to take it off, flip it around.
On here, you see?
Yeah, and because we put that one on and we're only putting it on from one side, those poppers need to be on there, so it's the wrong way around. Yeah, you were right, okay? You're right. Right, come on, let's get it off. The last screw.
Was there a film called that?
Last screw. No.
Oh.
Right, that's in. Thank you. Oh, daylight, Christ, my knees. Anyway, yes, so still snowing. We've had a super tint from Tom at Super Finish, who's done a fantastic job of tinting all the windows. Absolutely stellar job. And then another big shout out as well to Shaw Vans, who have sent me not only the carpet in the previous video, but also all of the privacy curtain needs, and they gave me an incredible discount. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to Tom at Super Finish if you want to get any tinting done. He also does a wide variety of other services, and I'm also going to leave a link to Shaw Vans as well, where you can get an exclusive 10% discount code on anything that you purchase from there using the code HERE. Can't quite remember it right now, but that's the code anyway. I want to say a big thank you to my dad.
Go on, say it then.
Thank you, Dad.
That's okay.
For helping me out. It's been good. Stressful, a couple of quibbles here and there and a couple of disagreements, but wouldn't be a father-son project if we didn't have that. But I'm waffling again, so I'm going to go try and get inside in some shelter and shelter from this snow, and I'll see you in the next video.